He has helped many dentists understand that the clinic is not just a chair and a drill. It's a business that needs structure, leadership, and vision.
And at this point in time ngayon sa career ko, nakita ko na kapag tama yung practice management mo, mas mamaalagaan mo yung mga taong malapit sa clinic mo. Your patients, your team, and your family basically. No? Enough to produce, enough for them and give back sa community also. Kaya ngayon sobrang gusto kong aralin yung practice management, gawin siyang simple at maituro sa mas maraming mga dentist ng Pilipino. Ako, ang dami-dami ko natutunan sa napakaraming mentors. There are mentors that will teach you how to earn 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million, and more importantly, yung makakapagturo sa'yo ng mentor na ano ba yung sapat.